Hello friends, in this video we are going to work on the EMI formula. So in my previous video we have discussed about how to calculate the EMI and how to bifurcate the EMI into principal and interest portion. So the formula which we have discussed in the previous videos are PMT formula for EMI and uh, PPMT and IPMT formula for bifurcation into principal and interest portion. So I request you to have a look at those formulas and then come to this video for working out the cumulative interest payment formula. Now this cumulative interest payment formula is used to work out the cumulative interest on a loan between a given period during that loan tenor. So we can work out the interest payment from, let us say, 5th month to 10th month, or 4th month to 6 months, or 4th month to 59th month, like that we can work out by using this formula. The formula name is CUMIPMT and the syntax is given here. We will discuss each of the variables used in this formula when along with working on the formula. So go to insert function tab, choose the CUMIPMT, then put the rate. You have to divide it by 12 because we are taking the monthly interest payment, and that's why it is to be 12. If it is to be taken as quarterly, then interest and principal payment. If you are taking it quarterly, then you have to divide it by 4. Then the NPR is the total number of payment period. So now let us do it for the first year. You have to take the total period is 60 and then the present value is 2 lakhs and start period. Now let us try to work out for the first month. So first month, and period is also first month, and the type is we are charging the interest at the end of the period, so put it as 0. So you can see the interest paid in the period starting from first month and at first month is 1666.67, which is tallied from here. Now if we want to, let us say, work it out for instead of 1 month, let us say we want to work it out for start period 1 month and the end period is second month. So for 2 months, how much is the cumulative interest? So when we do it, it is 3311.81. Here also, if we take the summation of this, it is 3311.81. So that's how we can work out the cumulative interest payment for any period. We can work it out for the entire tenor of the loan also. So first month to, if we change it to 60 months, that is the maximum period, we will get the entire interest payment on this 2 lakh loan. So during in the 60 months period, that is 5 years, on a loan of 2 lakh at the rate of 10%, we are going to pay 54,964.54 as interest payment. And then the in next video we will be discussing about how to work out the principal payment also. Principal is going to remain the 2 lakh only, but we will use that formula also. So thanks for watching my video. I hope it has cleared your doubts. Thank you.